No. No. No.
Hey.
Hey. Back up.
Oh.
Oh my.
Hey, let's go for a ride.
So guys, we just got our hands on the new Torch Unit 1 book sack, charcoal black. It's pretty awesome. You got a spot for a water bottle right here, little cinch hook that opens up, and you got two compartments right here, one right here for the helmet that we put it in, and you open it up, you got another compartment right here. It's nice, a little small spot to put like a charger or something in it. You got this thing for, like, I'm talking snacks, headphones, all of that. Like, you put them all up in there. Then you close all that up, and you get, on this side you have a little suitcase handle. Right here you got your portable charger up in there. It's pretty nice. It's built like specifically for a portable charger. And then you got the main compartment right here, which has, gotta open it up all the way. It has a zipper bag right here. You can put, see what's in here. You got a little drill gun right here, a little drill bit. Put that up in there. Zip that up. Snaps on real easy, just like that. We got our pump right here. Little pump for a tire, in case you get a little low. This is where your computer goes, right here. Everything is pretty much magnets on this thing. You got magnet keeps this shut, magnet puts this right here. You got a magnet on the strap to keep it tight against. Little magnet keeps that shut. Super easy to undo. And let's just say you're riding in like a high city and you don't want anybody like taking the book sack off of you or something. You just strap it on a little bit tighter. Even down here, you got your, like, let's say you got some dirty shoes or like a bolly block, for example. You can undo this to get all the dirt and stuff out. Put it right back in. Get your shoes, like your dirty shoes or something. Put them up in there. Zip it back up. And then you got yourself a little dirty shoe box down there. Another really cool feature about this book sack is a light that's going to be sold separately. There's not fully made yet. It's magnet back here. It's a magnet back. You put it in here, strap it down. This could be either the light or the brand right here. Light is going to do the same thing as the helmet. It's got a little brake on it. It's got blinkers. It blinks, it stops, it turns red, white, whatever you're doing, back up, whatever. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's very good for school. You got your laptop in there. You got put all your extra books and stuff. And this thing's got pockets for days. I probably didn't see them all. I probably got like half the pockets up in this thing. I've been riding with Unit 1 for over a year now, and this helmet still works perfectly. It's awesome. The lights, best helmet on the market, very safe. It's got the MIPS yellow plastic hard, and then it's got a bunch of foam in there, keeps it nice and comfy on your head and keeps you protected. It's even got crash detectors in it, So if you crash, it'll call somebody for you, lets them know that you just got in a crash. And if you're not running with this little piece right here, you're using your helmet wrong, because it's got your blinker. It's also got your stop detector. It's like detects when you're stopping. I think I can get it going. Yeah, there we go. Detects when you're stopping, and yeah, pretty cool.
When you crash, if you were to crash, who does your helmet call?
Calls my father so my mother doesn't know.
I like that.
We got a new code for Unit 1, and
It's on the screen.
Yeah, it's right here on the screen, and you click the link in the description, send you right to the page, buy all the stuff you want. They got an awesome book stack, sweet water bottle, very nice helmet. You can buy all of this at unit1.com.
Oh my gosh, this is a game changer, bro. Oh, you had it. You had it.
It stayed activated. You
It
saw
did.
that?
It did.
My board stayed activated, and I didn't expect it.
So you could have saved it.
Oh!
Oh my.
Yeah. That was good.
Do that.
Stick with us. We're gonna go a quick ride and just cruise with it on. Let's go. Sick.
You look awesome, man. It looks really good.
This, I'm gonna jump.